There are websites currently hiring without you attending an interview. I will show you 5 of those websites in this video. And the number 3 is the one I've personally tried and I was able to get this. Now, I mentioned that at number 3, so you want to make sure you discover what it is because that might also be the one for you. I don't know. You want to keep watching so that you can discover what it is. The first website on the list is OneForma. As you can see that it's an AI platform that you can do tasks and there are a whole lot of tasks that you can do on OneForma and the application is really that easy. Just go fill in your form, your first name, last name. You're going to see your legal full name. So you're going to put that legal full name. You're going to make sure that it's the name that's on your ID verification, okay? Like voter's card, driver's license, or any of your verified ID card. Then you put your email address, your country of residence, choose it, your password, and then you confirm it. Now, once you confirm it, they will get back to you. Either you qualify or not. Now, the qualification is now based on your CV, so you need to have a good CV. The second website is Telus Digital. Now, Telus Digital is an AI platform where you can text AI and then you get paid to text AI. And also, I would give you something that will help you in the application, make it successful for you. Once I've mentioned number 3 website in this video, so you want to make sure that you keep watching so that you discover it. There are 4 steps you need to follow to find jobs on this platform. First, you are going to register, and then second, they're going to onboard you, and then third, of course, you can work from anywhere you choose in the world. And then they also have a competitive pay and then fast payout. So you're going to see some jobs that are here. Okay, they have this one that says AI voice data specialist. Mark, okay, you're going to see that this one is paying this amount per hour. You're going to see it's a part-time remote job. And the Arabic Global, you're going to see, okay, you're going to see this here. So they have different openings here. If you even click view more jobs, discover more opportunities, you would see more opportunities here. Now, how do you register here on this Telus Digital? Well, just click on this place that says this menu. You're going to see register or sign up. Tap on it. So this is the third website, and this is the one that I earned some money. You're going to see here, earn money, do tax, get paid, free to join. So here you don't even need an interview to do this tax. You don't need an interview at all. Just click on this place that says start earning, and then you can register. Now this one is called Toolkit AI. As you know that it's an AI platform where you can text and train AI, right? So if you click on start earning, it will take you down to the registration page, and then you can register. And once you register, you'll be able to fill out your form, and then once you fill out the form, they would give you the current opening, and then you can be able to see which one you can choose. And of course, if you click on here, it will take you down to Mindrift AI, because I think they just handed this over to Mindrift AI. So from there you can just go to Mindrift, and then you can see the tasks that you need to do. Okay, you're going to choose, you're going to see all of this, and just click on go to Mindrift so that you can register. So I'm going to allow all, then go to Mindrift so that you can register. And then this one here, you don't need an interview, just fill out the form, and then they take you down to the dashboard, and from there you would see different openings. Of course, that would also depend on your location as well. Next on the list that won't require an interview is Heave Micro. Now, these are micro tax platforms that you can perform micro tax here. You're going to see each qualifier exam unlocks new tasks for you to do, but they will accept you without any interview. But then if you want more jobs coming, that means you're going to be writing a qualifier exam. Okay, but for the first time, they will just come here, and then you can register an account. And then once you register an account, you're going to see you sign up, apply for jobs, and then complete tax, and then you earn, you get paid. So that means at first no interview, just sign up, and then here you apply for the jobs, and then if you qualify for the jobs, you complete the tax and you get paid. Okay, so take your time to go through this platform. Heave Micro, that's the name. It's the 4th website that we're sharing here on this list. Now, I said I have a gift for you guys. If you watch to this point, it means that you actually are ready to do this. So what I'm going to do is this. I just drop hi for me in the comment section. Just drop hi. If you watch here, just drop hi, and then I'm going to send you a gift package. Okay, I'll send you a gift. Right, just write something that's going to help you in your online remote job. Send a hi, and I will do that. Let's go to the last website on the list. The last website is Livingstone Research. Now, this is a freelance platform where you can do some freelancing job. You're going to see why you should join them. You're going to see here they have a competitive compensation from $3 to $18 per hour of work plus bonuses on top of that. Okay, you're going to see different other things here. Now, available payment methods, you would see they have wire transfer, Wise, and PayPal. So even if PayPal is not accepted in your country, you can use wire transfer or Wise. You will see the application process. Step 1, you apply on our website and fill your contact details. Step 2, pass a simple language text. Now this one, they say simple one. It's not a difficult one. Then complete a short simple task. And then, of course, step 4 is get access to the available tasks and start earning with Livingstone Research. Okay, so you're going to see different other statistics that they have and the rest. Now, if you click on this place that says apply, it will take you down to the application page and you can be able to apply. Now, when you are applying, you need to put in your email address first. They will send you a temporary password to your email. Now, enter that password, and then afterwards, you will be requested to fill in your normal details like your name, your email address, your CV, that's your resume, and other details about you. Then before they can usher you into the dashboard where you can be able to see different other tasks. So guys, those are the 5 websites that you can apply for remote jobs, remote tasks without needing an interview. Now you can choose the 5 of them. I would recommend you try the 5 of them and see which one works out for you. But remember, no guarantees. Okay, I am just making this video as an educational and information purpose. I am not promising you anything or guaranteeing anything. So therefore, it's important you make your due diligence first and understand that earnings will always differ based on location, experience, and of course patience. So therefore, no promises, but make your due diligence. I'm sure that if you try 5 of these, at least one may work for you. Alright guys, subscribe to the channel, hit the thumbs up button on this video, and I will see you in the next one.